So Camp Razor is really cool because it is the start of the dune season, and everybody looks forward to getting out here and starting off the season with a ton of fun. And Camp Razor puts on a really cool big event that brings basically everybody together. So Shock Therapy comes out to Camp Razor every year for the same thing. We do exactly what we do at the shop out here on site with this semi.
We bring out our semi, a bunch of the employees, and just hard work ethic. We get to it, get down to the nitty gritty, and just make it happen out here.
It's pretty cool because we are capable and able to bring what we do in Phoenix to California for other people who can't make it to the shop.
Typically we bring, I'd say, half the shop, meaning the install department and the shop guys.
We bring anywhere from 12 to 14 people every time that we come out here, and it is much needed.
My name's Francisco Pimentel. We got here like right around a little after 4:30.
I got here early this morning. I came out at about 4 a.m.
But yeah, this is my first time. This is my 2018 X3, first time getting some work done with shock therapy. Hoping it's a night and day difference from what I've been told.
So I had a Honda Talon, and you guys did a revalve on it, springs, and it made night and day difference on the car. I have literally not even a mile in this vehicle here, and it's bone stock, and first thing I'm going to do to it.
Yeah, parked the days in and taking no days in. Yeah, don't need a vacation, I need a replacement. Busting the lights out soon as we came in. Yeah, what are they talking about? What is pertaining? Yeah, need me a thing.
What I'm looking for is for the car to settle down and handle a lot better through, some of the whoops, the G-outs. So shock therapy was recommended. So here I am to get the car done. The guys I ride with, they're pretty fast, and we're moving. I mean, we're 50, 60 miles an hour, running through bowls and constantly on the gas, and you need all the suspension you can get.
It's nice to have customers show up, get their car done, and then they can literally go drive it right after it's done. So it's kind of a kills two birds with one stone sort of thing.
Out here in the dunes, it's a completely different ball game. I think you just have to come out and experience it. The dunes is its own beast.
If I could put the dunes into one word, I would say it's epic.
This is at home, right down the street from Alamo.
Open his eyes, don't mean it moving slow, even though speak out. So I get a lot of enemies on the lead, like the snow. Cause they so, I'm a new species that swings on the road. Come to reach on those boat, got springs like a toad, suffer free in the toad.
Dunes are something that if you've never been here, you should definitely come check it out and see it for yourself. Glamis particularly is massive, and it is one of the coolest things to see if you've never been here. It's a totally different environment, it's a totally different style of riding, just with the big bowls, the whoops, the jumps, the scenery here is just, it's so different than anything else.
think what sets us apart from anybody else is the time and effort we put into everything we do, whether it be ass in the seat tuning a car, whether it be the car in the shop that Mitchie's working on to make sure like parts get put together properly. I think it's just the time and effort we put into everything we do to try and go above and beyond to deliver the best product.
Us as Shock Therapy, we're very prideful on the products that we develop, our customer support that we offer when we are out here. We go above and beyond to make the customer happy, whether that is testing and tuning a car, whether that is coming up with a product that fixes a problem that we or customers tell us about. And it's really cool to do all of that and then have the customers come back up and tell us how much they love us, how much we're, you know, a big supporter of what they want, and we listen to it, and we make cars ride good, man. And it's really cool to be a part of that, to where guys come back and they're happy, they're excited, they're smiling, they're, you know, just pumped to have what we offer.
I enjoy talking to everybody. I do enjoy talking to people. I'm a people person. So my favorite part, I guess, would be all the interaction we get with the customers and just to see their happy faces, whether we give them a free t-shirt or koozies or keychains. Like that to me is what makes it all cool there. Or seeing them get done with their car and they drive by on Sand Highway with their thumb up, you know, happy with the job we did. That's what makes it special for me. That's what I love most about it.
Being able to have the knowledge and the skills to answer people's questions, get them out of a pickle, have just a face-to-face interaction and be involved in that is really cool. I also enjoy just being out here. I enjoy the events. I enjoy the family that we have out here. We've been doing it for a long time, and we've created a lot of really good friends out here and customers too.
Just want to give a big shout out to the crew we took out here. We came out with a lot less people than we normally do, and we killed it. We did just as many cars as we do with 13 people, and we only had 9 people. So I think we killed it out here, and shout out to everyone that came out and busted their ass and got everything done. Didn't complain about it once, and then also too, shout out to the shop. Shop was still open while we were out here, so shout out to all the guys back at the shop holding it down, and shout out to the crew out here for holding it down for the Glamis.